Welcome to my channel. Today in this video we will discuss how to find supervisors of your field in Australian universities. I have previously made a video like how to find supervisors globally like all around the world, but in this particular video I would like to highlight a specific feature that certain Australian universities provide, that you can simply write the name of the field that you want to work over, and the university will provide you a list of people working in that specific domain. So let's explore this feature a bit further. All you have to do is to just write how to find supervisor in Australia. Certain universities of Australia provide this feature. I have gone through like plenty of universities, and let's say I've gone through University of South Australia and certain, let's say, Western Sydney University. I'll go through them one by one in order to demonstrate. And what other university? University of Sydney provides this feature. Flinders University provide this feature. So open their websites one by one, and let's say University of South Australia. It gives a feature how to find a supervisor. Let's say I just write. I can write computer science. I can write cyber security or any other field. For example, I write security, and it will give me a list of all the people working in the field of security. For example, this person, Professor is Elizabeth, is working in the field of security, and these are the research areas that you can explore it further. So all these people, all these supervisors are working in the field of security, and you can open their websites, open their profiles, and explore them further in order to contact them. Similarly, in Western Sydney University, you can scroll down and you can click on staff directories, and here you can write the keyword. Let's say I'll write computer science, and it will give me a list of all the supervisors, or you can say professors, working in the field of computer science. Like, it has given me like 283 people working in this computer science field. So you can even narrow down, like previously I've written security, you can write multiple others. Similarly, in University of Sydney, let's say I'll write electrical. So it will give me all the projects in the field of electrical. For example, walk again, this is a project under Professor Davis Glenn. And similarly, high efficient switching power supplies. So University of Sydney gave me a list of projects that are currently in the field of electrical engineering, and now I can explore these projects further, and if some project falls under my category or my research interest, then I should go and apply this specific professor or the researcher working on that project. Similarly, for Flinders University, you have to scroll down a little bit, and here you can write, let's say I'll write electrical, and all these people are in the faculty of electrical engineering, or either might be just conducting research in the field of electrical engineering. So here you can find multiple supervisors of your field. But one thing that I would like to highlight or mention specifically is, whenever you are contacting these supervisors, make sure to do an adequate amount of research on their profiles before contacting them. Like, do not just send a same email to all the people, all the faculty members. Do an adequate amount of research, check their research papers, go through their profiles, that which area they are working over. I have made a separate video on it, that how to find the supervisor's profile, or how you can check the profile, and that which area they are currently working over, what are their current research interests, how to explore their DBLP profile, how to explore their Google Scholar profile. So you can watch these videos, and you can after doing an adequate amount of research, then you can contact the supervisors that I want to work under your supervision. And if your email and your CV is good enough, then they will definitely reply you, and will let you know that is there any vacancy that you can work over, or any specific scholarship or any grant that you can apply for. So that's all for today's video. If you want me to discuss any specific topic, just write down in the comments. Thank you so much. Bye bye.